Hey YouTube, it's your girl on the Real Day Eat. I'm back at you again. So this is just gonna be a little sit down, talk something, because I have not sat down and talked on YouTube in a really long time. And yeah, a lot has changed. Anyone who knows me knows that a lot has changed. 2019 really just took a turn for me. So I don't know, I guess let's start where I left off. Still an ER nurse. Nothing changed there with work. I got married last month. So this is Mrs. Callan now. I got engaged September, got married by November, and we did a rush wedding. Like, we did an Urobo traditional marriage. You know, gotta keep it in the culture. I'm out of breath because I'm also very much preggers. Yeah, a lot has changed. Like, all right guys, so I am in the kitchen now. I got my shrimp and my chicken all seasoned up, which is ready to go. Got my water boiling for my fettuccine, and I got some Alfredo sauce over here. What I used to season was garlic powder, onion powder, adobo sazon, the regular adobo, Cajun seasoning, focus. Alright, well, Cajun seasoning, a little bit of curry powder. Curry makes everything taste like amazing, and I think that was all that I used. So I'm gonna put this in the frying pan, and I'm just gonna add my fettuccine to the hot water. I usually wait till it's like boiling hot, but I'm kind of impatient. So that looks very yummy. Everything's fully cooked now. I'm not gonna drain it. I'm gonna leave it and just add it to the I want to add the Alfredo sauce in here, but I feel like I'm not gonna have no space for it. But I'm probably gonna do it anyway. Sometimes my Alfredo, like, it's only creamy in the beginning, and then afterwards it gets chunky, and I don't know how to stop that. That tastes like everything. So what I'm gonna do now is add some broccoli to my pasta. It's frozen, so I like to put it in here with the pasta. I'm gonna put quite a bit. It's gonna flip sides with my vanity, and we are off.
We're gonna see inside the kitchen.
Let's go.
I'll grab this.
I can't. No, I'm kidding. No, I was. We are off to Brooklyn. How I miss Brooklyn. I actually was excited to go to Brooklyn today.
You'll be coming from Rocky. This is what a Farakian looks like.
Yeah, that's what a Farakian looks like.
Handsome girl.
This is what a Brooklynite looks like. Nah, I really do miss Brooklyn though. I look tired. I just woke up. What time is it? 3 o'clock? I left my phone.
I got it.
I know you don't got it. It's on the charger. You can go to the garbage. I'm gonna go back and get my phone. Remember the last time we did this and I didn't have my key? But I got my key. Thank you. Back up we go. So we are going to Brooklyn. Got a couple of things to do today. I need to get these nails done. They look atrocious. I need to get some Chick-fil-A. That is definitely on the list of things to do. And we have a tour today. We have a tour of now where did he put my phone to charge is the question. We have a tour today of Maimonides Hospital, L&D, you know, gotta see what that's looking like. Yeah, my face is getting so round. This is what we looking like. Let me put some lip gloss on. I didn't know there was an elevator on the other. I know it's the downstairs elevator. Anyway, yeah, this is what we looking like. I have on this 5x5 lace closure wig. Believe it or not, this is the same wig that was in my Place Lay video where I did my hair about 3 videos ago. Well, I don't know if this is like even gonna get posted, but you know, if it does, it'll be about 3 videos ago. It was like a 5x5 lace closure wig, but it was straight. This, it's not the natural curl pattern. I had it braided for like days, but this is pretty much the natural curl pattern. And this is that same wig, and I've had this wig since 2017. Like, invest in your hair, honey. I think this is like raw Indian curly. First stop, K's, because husband needs a ring.
My finger keep itching too much.
His finger is itching because he ain't got no ring. But his ring not gonna look as nice as mine because you know, just can't.
Text? Well, it's not text time. I guess it's like Christmas shopping. You don't get this doofy chunk out the way.
This camera needs to be tighter on here. Like it's shaking. I can't have that, honey.
Yeah, I hate when this car does this. So,
what, the seatbelt noise? We just.
I'm just gonna come in front of you, right?
I guess.
What can I do?
Yes,
And I was
honey.
inquire about it and then
Make our choice. That's the first step.
So to go. I know one in Massapequa though.
Of course you do. That's where you got your Infinity.
Yeah, but they got good deals. So since I got that from them, we can go there and we can talk deals. What would they give us? You want to get a pre-owned or you want to get a pre-owned? Pre-owned.
Yeah, we don't need brand new.
They got should be looking brand new, baby.
Yeah, they do. They get it pre-owned. When I get my Porsche will be brand new.
My Q70 that I got was pre-owned and it was pretty decent.
Yeah, look good. It looked brand new.
Yeah, it definitely did. So, and they have to give it to you as such. When you go from third-party dealers, they give you the rinky-dink.
Pre-owned, yeah. I'm mad close. I'll put on lip gloss on my left hand.
That's a guy that needs to be on TV right there. Look at that face. Goddamn.
God
Damn, Zaddy. Woo, you look good. Can't front, that's that chocolate wonder right there, you heard?
That's that chocolate wonder, that body by LK.
That body by LK, you heard? Ah, big guns, you heard?
Big guns.
So we do out here.
Alright. I guess I'll see you guys at K when we're looking at rings. Much better. It's kind of dark. Let me.
I like to put on a show.
No. So we're back in the crib. Got more stuff to put together. This is gonna be our next one. We got the first one from Wayfair, and it was broken. They sent us a second one for free, and it's not broken. So husbands put them together. I'm gonna watch. We're gonna watch. Egypt. Couple nails done. You know, just French. Excuse the crusties around. You know how that goes. But that will come off on its own. We're about to get our makeup done for this little Christmas photo shoot with me and hubby. So let's jump right on into it.